Hi everyone, I'm here to tell you about what I would like you to have in the notebook at the end of the semester. So, I want everyone to have a 3-ring binder. It doesn't necessarily need to be red, it could be any color and any kind. I want you to have your name and what class you're in, so that those two are important. I want you to have tabs. I would like you to have tabs. If you don't want to spend the money on this sophisticated ones, you can just put tabs yourself. You need one tab for the lab, one tab for the internet exercises, one tab for the discussion board, one tab for your field trips, and then one tab for your picture project, and one tab for the discussion board. So remember to have all these tabs and put those things in between those tabs where it should go. So your notebook is going to be very organized, and it's going to be really easy for me to go through and grade it for you. Now, the picture project. What do I want in the picture project? In the picture project, I would like you to take 7 pictures of 7 different things geologically, whatever we learn, like for example the mass movement. Then you learn about leaning trees. That is a good example. Or if you go to anywhere and you find a lost syncline, that's a good example. So I would like you to go and print the pictures at like a CVS or Sam's Club or wherever. Even from your cell phone now you can actually send it to the printer and it will print it out like in less than 20 seconds, and it's no more than 30 cents. So I would like you to print the pictures out. So don't ask me if I would take it if you send it to me electronically, because the answer is no. I would like you to print it out, stick it on a paper, glue it on a paper, and I want you to write underneath of the picture. So no any other way I will take it. Write down what do you see. That's one. The second is the location of your picture, so put down the address. And the third one is the date when you took the picture, because I kind of prefer you doing the pictures during the summer session. So as you learn, you're taking pictures. Now, when you take pictures along the road, make sure that you stop the car, and you cannot just take pictures while driving, so don't do that. And please be careful. Now, the other thing, when you do the field trips, it's really important that some places I say to jump over the fence and collect some fossils. Of course, if you are not able to do that, I don't expect you, so don't kill yourself over any of this stuff. So please be careful and do your best you can. And I will see you around. Bye. Hello everyone, I'm here to show you the notebook requirements for physical and historical geology classes, so I will do both. Starting with the physical geology right here. I would like you to go to the learning units first, and you go through each chapter, and you've been hopefully doing it, but under the assignments you always have the internet exercises, and you have to click on it and answer the questions, print it out, and put it in your notebook. And it has to be labeled sustainable development. I guess you're just gonna print this out, so you're gonna be okay that way. So you go through every single chapter that way, every single learning unit that way, learning unit. Basically, if I remember correctly, every single learning unit has internet exercise. You just have to check it under the assignments, each learning unit. So that's one thing. And I already have mentioned to you about the tabs, so you need to have them. And in the learning units, you can check if the chapter has an internet exercise. Most of the time there is, so you better have it. And the other thing you have to have in is the discussion board entry. Like each discussion board entry, you just have to find your own research
and you copy. This is not so good. I think I picked the wrong one right here. So let's go back, and these are the questions. That's the problem. I have to go back and do like one of the research stuff, really. So go back to discussion board, and let's see. The first one is the geology in the news, and I can get, let's say, Katrina's. So Katrina, you just have to actually go ahead and you copy this, even your references. Copy, I mean, CTRL-C will copy it. You open a Word file, and you say discussion board, and then you put, make it big, that too, and you say week 1, and then you copy. The copy is CTRL V. So here we are. That's your first week. The picture didn't come over, but that's okay. And just go up to, and then you go to your next week and the next week. So on one page, week 2, week 3, you have all your discussion board entries, and you put it under the tab called discussion board. So that's about the discussion boards. I hope you understand it. So we talked about the learning units, the discussion board, and then you go to the assignments. And the assignments have the field trips. In physical geology, we have the Dixie Cavern, which we will do together. I'm gonna post it really soon. And then these two are what you have to do on your own. To do it on your own, you just have to actually print out your description of the field trip, and it has all the stops in it, and just do it. It's very important that I do have a bunch of questions. You have to answer those questions, and see right there, I do have questions right here, like check out what kind of rocks and what kind of sedimentary structures. You got to answer right here, and then you have to sit down on this rock and take a picture of yourself, so I know you've been there. Same here, so make sure that you do it accordingly. So hopefully it's all gonna go well. So we have done the discussion board, the learning units, and the field trips. So I hope you do know what to do, and you know what to put in your notebook, and you know what order to put them in, and make sure that you have the tabs so I don't have to try to find your stuff. In the notebooks, I'm not really interested in your slideshows, so that you don't have to put in, and I am not looking for your review questions either, because that's strictly just for you. So I hope you understand what I have just told you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me, text me, or email me. Okay, bye.